a person of truth, and that we lack a lot. At times, we do not even realize. We say, bahana bana do. Let's make an excuse. That bahana bana do, that excuse is also a lie. At times, we crack a joke, and even that cracking a joke is a lie. At times, we say, bas 5 minute do. Not at times. We always say, bas 5 minute do. When we are 25 minute do. Right? That is a lie. We speak, we lie left, right, center, and we don't realize. We lie to our teachers, we lie to our children, we lie to our spouse, we lie to our bosses, we lie to our employees, we lie to ourselves. We lie, we lie, we lie. As long as we are lying, Rasulullah said, he was one talking, and he said, he was talking about a moment, and he said, one thing that a woman cannot do, he can never be a liar. And then he became extremely enraged. He said, a woman can never be a liar. A woman can never be a liar. He said it thrice, and Sahaba comes and when he was speaking, we saw him turn red because he was so emphatic about this particular point. He was really wanted to get it across that this is one thing that a woman cannot do. He cannot lie. Those stand-up comedians, listening to a lie is as good as being part of that lie. When we listen to those, a lot of things which, especially in jokes, are said which are a lie. So we should be careful about that as well.